Welcome back to Garage Vibes. We have a great vibe for you guys today. Today we have the Helion Select 410 SC, and we're going to show you how to hook up a camera inside of it so we can get some really cool shots. So we're going to remove the body. I'm going to put a camera inside it so you guys can see. Alright, let me show you how we get done. So this is the clamp that we're going to use from Aperture. This is Aperture clamp. It's really cool. This clamp you can twist it back and forth, do some really cool stuff with it. It feels really nice, very easy to use. Locked down really good, no issue at all. Cool clamp. So if you're thinking about this clamp and you would like to get something like this, check down in the description, you guys will find it there. And the camera that we're using is a TCL SVC400 sport camera. Really cool small camera. This is a camera that we're going to put inside the Selector 4 so we can capture some shots. Really small camera. So if you're also interested in something like this, check down in the link, you guys would find it. Alright, so let me show you guys how I set up this camera inside the Selector 4. So we're going to remove these pins on them here, remove these clips. It's very slick. One is already dropped, don't worry about that, we're going to find it. And let's get inside this car. Okay, so this is where we're going to put this clamp, right back here. We're going to set this up right here. It's very easy to do. The clamp is really steady. Very strong clamp. And you can set this anyhow you want. I like the ball joint when you're moving, so we can put the sport camera like so. We can even push it all the way back like that. Let me get this down here like so we can get as much as a car as possible. So this is a setup that we're going after, so we can show you some cool shots of the wheel, and we're going to get any action in the front wheel if ever. So if you guys is thinking about the Selector 410 SE, it's a really cool car. It's a short course truck, 4x4 all around, and it's got independent suspension. Check the preload, how you want adjust it and stuff. It's really cool. And what else I can tell you about this thing? We have a KV motor. So we're pushing a real nice KV motor, 3500 KV motor. Let's see if we can get a shot of that here. And this is a 4-pole motor. Is really fast. Trust me, this thing built for speed. It's a short course truck, so you don't know. If you're thinking about something like that, trust me, it's a really cool truck, lots of speed. And we're going to show you some really cool clips how this truck performs with this KV motor 3500. And this car go 35 miles plus. Trust me, very fast, very fast. We're going to give you some cool footages and show you how we go. Alright, let's take it to the streets. Let's go ride.